Hello guys, do you wanna play with me? Huh? Do you wanna play with me? I still have time. Come, let's play. Oh, come here. Baby, come here. Come here. How are you, baby? Huh? What's my name? What's my name today? How's my name today? You're happy? You're happy to see me? Okay, let's play a bit. Okay? Not don't bite me, okay? Don't bite me, baby. Oh, I love you. I love you. I miss you so. I miss you, baby. You're so nice. I thought you would think right away. Okay? Don't worry. I don't know what to do. You are going to do important. Love you, Leslie. Love you. I told you I love you, but you scared me. I throw it on you, Lego. Doesn't play because you annoying. Come, come, boy. Come on. No, it's so sweet. Oh, I love you, baby. Oh, it's nice. You happy? You happy? It's happy. Okay. Happy New Year, got your friend. Where you go? Let's play. Huh. See this? Everyone's come here. When you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. When you're happy and you know it, and you love you, you wanna play with me? Why are you looking at me? You don't like my song, my music that I am singing to you? You don't like it, baby girl? Okay, so boring. You are two guys are boring, no? The other one is here, and the other two is here. Okay, say good night because I know that you want to sleep more. Good morning, guys. Tell good morning, guys. Thank you for watching my videos, our videos. Thank you so much. Say it. Thank you very much. You know that I'm cute and handsome. My name is Leo, guys. And thank you so much for watching my video. Yay. Bye bye, guys. Bye bye. The other one is busy right now. Okay. So be it. See you guys.